Frog. Well, that should do it for the day. I agree.
Vibes.
Who's this?
What's going on?
How far is it down here to 60?
What just happened, Rooster? I've been replaced by a phony. Time to go to the store. Okay, here we go. Awesome. Hey, that later didn't even get me to the store. Do better. Time to go to the store. Whoa! I say we have a word or two with this phony. Oopsies. What's the dilly-dilly-yo, yo? You've been Rooster blessed.
Listen here, buddy.
You better tell me what's going on here. I'm gonna cock-a-doodle-doo your face in. That don't take to do I wanna do that. Eric Rooster. Okay. I'll tell you who was behind it all. It was him. DJ! Yikes! Better skedaddle! Phony. Oops.
Mystery ball.
Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
It's silly one.